Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on M&T Bank Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mymortgage.mtb.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for M&T Bank Mortgage and you will be taken into the login portal right away. Now within the email address section, type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your mortgage account and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button or the sign in button and you will be logged into your M&T mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the trouble signing in option and you will be provided assistance in regards to resetting your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with M&T Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.